Hey guys, welcome to When We Talk. Today I'm going to show you some Instagram hacks that you didn't know. So just sit back, relax and learn. So the first hack is that I'm going to show you some hidden colors on your story that you didn't know. So you have to just open that up and then just take a photo and type anything you want. Just type anything you want. So I'm just gonna type what's up. What's up? What's up? So what you have to do now is that you have to. So now we want to add a color on this text, but then usually there's like basic colors. You know what I mean? Like all these are like basic colors and stuff. So here's a hack. Just hold that, and you get this. Look at that. You can pick so many other colors that you didn't know. That's how you can do it. That's how you can do it. Yep. Yeah. I hope that's helpful. So you can use this to like choose other colors that you don't usually use. Next hack, rainbow text. So go to the story, type something again. So I'm gonna go with what's up again. Okay, so now what you have to do here is that you have to hold that. You have to hold it. Tap and hold. Now we want the color of this text to be a rainbow. So what you do is that on the text, hold and drag to the left slowly, and on the color option, just hold and drag to the right slowly, and then you get each color that you want so that you can turn it into a rainbow. That's how you get the rainbow text. That's how you do it. You see? Easy. So easy. So easy. So yeah, a cool hack for you there. Rainbow text. Rainbow text. Next hack, artistic vibe. Okay, story again. What we're gonna do here is that we're gonna pick a video or a photo we want to post. So we are going to turn this into some sort of like a coloring book. Some sort, yeah. So tap there and then choose a color. Yeah. Choose a color. Now tap and hold the screen. And then boom, voila. And after that, tap the erase button. Then adjust the size that you want. Then boom, erase depending on the style that you want. You know what I mean? You can be creative with this, you know what I mean? Like make like an artistic vibe or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's how you can do this. Next hack, full size story gifs. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, go to add your story. Then go to create, tap create. Come on. Then from there, swipe left and you see the GIF option. Then from there, you can type and search any GIF that you want, depending on what you're looking for. So after you're done, you're gonna get a lot of options. So you can choose like what you are feeling that day, what you like. They give you a lot of options depending on what you search for. So yeah, just tap there and then boom, you can post. You can even type whatever you want to type. I'm just gonna type cool. And then, yeah, let me actually just type it. All right, just look at me typing. Just look at me typing. Oh my God, this is a cool hack. This is really cool. This is really cool. This is awesome. So yeah, so after this, you can just post it. And your friends will be like, wow, oh my God, how did you do that? Oh my God, how did you do that? So next hack, I'm going to show you how you can share some videos, some content that you love during a video call. So you have to tap media, then from there you can see all the posts you've liked, all the posts you've shared, and you can also explore, and then you can also share what you want to see with the person that you're video calling. So let's just pick a video or photo that we can share on the video call. So yeah, look at that. So easy, and you can watch it together, share some memes, anything that you want to share. So yeah, let me just pick another one over here. Okay, look at that. You see, now we can watch this together. You know what I mean? And you can just be like, oh my God, there's this post that I saw, it's so funny, let me show you. And the guy will be like, oh yeah, cool, I'm down. And then yeah, look, boom, shared it. So that's it guys, thank you. I hope this actually helped you out. If you want more content, just click the subscribe button and like this video for more content, you know what I mean? Because I'm going to be making more content like this. Thank you.